first rain of the year in Feb, the first rain separator needs to be opened because there will be dusty water. Getting the thread right is important. Filter is ready. So is the rain barrel to receive first rainwater of the year. It's raining in February. It's very unusual for Bangalore. February is the least rainiest month. The cloud cover has been building up. It rained in the city center 2 days back, a 7.5 millimeter downpour. And I expect that this would be also about the same. So we need to capture every drop. The city will suffer a water shortage in the coming months. This should help tide over some days at least.